So all the teams are just about settling into the bubble in Trinidad and Tobago for this year's COVID edition of the CPL. And look, the concept of the sporting bubble is proving to be the lifesaver for sports in these trying times. Most of the sports being attempted outside of the bubble concept, Major League Baseball and the NFL in the US, are reeling under the pandemic, while the likes of the NBA and the MLS are doing just fine from inside their respective bubbles. The question is though, how solid or how airtight a bubble will the CPL organizers be able to maintain for 4 weeks of CPL cricket in fun, crazy Trinidad and Tobago, for a league that was marketed as the greatest party on earth, scaled down to a quiet television non-spectacle is drastic. Anyway, our COVID infection rate in the Caribbean is much lower than in some of those big nations where those big sporting events are being affected. So at least we have that going in our favor. But at the same time, if the situation say bubble, everybody have to work with the bubble. Oh yes, the concept of the bubble is working so far, so make we work with the concept of the bubble. Just maintain the discipline and don't breach the bubble. Don't joke on anything other than that kind of bubble. Stop it.